Welcome back, everybody. This is Woodchucker. So this is my third bear I've ever done, and I'm hooked. Having a lot of fun with it. This one was a little bit different. It wasn't a straight shot, so it was kind of a hugging a tree. So I got to do some coloring on it, and then I get to do a little bit of staining and then sealing it. But I had a lot of fun with this one. I can't wait. I actually went back up north, got some more logs, and brought them back home because this was my last log. So there's a video out there, the video where I actually got the logs from. So check that out. But this is the guy I'm finishing off. I'm proud of him. Starting off my third bear. I'm happy. So let's give him a little bit of color. Subscribe and comment, helps the algorithm. I appreciate it. And let me know what you think. More comments I get, the more likely to show a lot more on my videos. But I wanted to share it with my subscribers, and we're gonna go from there. So let's. I'm gonna torch it. Don't exactly know how much, but just when I feel that it's torched enough and got the color, then I'm just gonna stop. I want to do his little paws and his feet. So let's torch him up here. Get a little bit of the sides here. Plus this cleans it up a little bit where I can't get. I have minimal tools, so I just use a grinder, a little Dremel, and chainsaw, electric and my gas. So most of it's chainsaw work. Look at that. So I'm going to torch it a little bit more, and then I can use a wire brush and kind of clear off a little bit of it that I don't want. Let's get the nose. There we go. Here we go. Cool. It's one-sided. There's nothing on the other side. I'll show you though. So when you do this darkening, however you want to do it, it brings out a lot of the bear coat and the hair, so it just makes it stand out a little bit more. Wow, that's crazy. I'm so hooked on this. I've done a couple bears and I'm like, I want to do more. So you're definitely going to see a lot more bears and other stuff, you know. Alrighty, let's see. Now that I got them all torched, I'm going to do the back here. I'll turn it around so you guys can see it. go. That's cool. Look at that. Run it down a little bit. Give it a little bit of color. I'm gonna leave the log and the tree part natural, but look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta do the top of the head a little bit. A little torch on the top here. All right, let's see. And one thing about wood carving is this is your bear, so you could do anything you want. Doesn't matter what it looks like, because there is literally all types of bears in all different kinds, all different looks, funny, totally not looking like a bear, representing bear. I mean, it really doesn't matter. So when you carve your own, and hopefully I inspire some people to start carving, whatever bear you do, it's your bear. It doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. So as long as you like it, that's all that matters. So now I'm going to take a brush, just a regular old wire brush. You guys can check out my other videos and see my other bears that I've done. But just take a regular brush and just kind of brush over it. It kind of lightens it to whatever you want. So you just kind of brush it and see what you want. Lighten it, kind of smears around a little bit. Gets all the little excess off. Kind of smears the color around. Oh yeah. So it just kind of gets a little bit of the burnt off, so it's not chalky. And then just kind of rub it around, lighten it up a little bit. All right, so there's my little brown bear. A little lighter. Lighten them up just a little bit. Probably have to get in here a little bit with a smaller wire brush if I need to. But basically, that's my bear. I'll get a little up close for you guys. There you go. Nice little bear. This is out of pine. That thing's cool. It's gonna have cracks. You can put some wedges in it if you want. It all depends on what you want. But that's my bear. He almost kind of looks like his 2 ears kind of standing up, like kind of peeking over, like, huh? What's going on over there? So that's my bear. So on the next video, I'll put out, you know, me putting a coat on it and stuff like that. So if you guys like this video, please comment, subscribe, pass it to people that like to do wood carving. I'll be doing some more videos in the future. So But this is my third bear. It's pretty cool. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.